How to buy cryptocurrency using the Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Biban Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Now, first things first, you want to get the Trust application, the Trust Wallet application, or you can do so on your browser as well. Now, there you want to go ahead and you want to open up the crypto application and tap on Get Started and log into your account. Now, I'm not logged in here, but I'll just be showing you quickly how you can buy it. You can simply select the Bitcoin option there. You can see Bitcoin there. You can choose the particular Bitcoin. Now you'll get the search bar as well if you are logged in my case here, or you can search it from the browser as well. You can see discover options here on the screen. At the bottom you can see swap option here if you want to swap, or you can see home page where you can choose the particular Bitcoin. If you want to buy particular crypto, suppose you want to buy Bitcoin, you can tap on it. Now you'll get the option that says buy. You can see there, simply tap on buy, and now you can create new wallet or add existing wallet and then go ahead and sign into the account and you can buy it. So you can choose Bitcoin. Suppose you want to buy a particular crypto, you can choose Bitcoin and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Select the third-party provider and payment method you would like to use. Select buy BTC and then follow the steps to complete the purchase. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.